So this question is a system of equations question. System of equations, which basically means that we're simplifying. But I like to point this specific type of question out because you will always see at least one of these types of questions on the SAT math section. So I'm going to just rewrite the system of equations that I have. So there are a couple ways to do this. So the traditional way that you have typically learned in school is through a method called elimination. And we eliminate here, or use the method of elimination here, by multiplying the top equation by, I'm going to do 2, so that the top equation is now 2x plus 2y equals 0. The bottom equation will remain the same, 3x minus 2y equals 10. And hopefully you can start to see, well, why did I multiply by 2 here? Well, it's because it allows me to get this positive 2y here, so that when I add the two equations together, I'd get 2x plus 3x is 5x. 2y minus 2y, well, that's eliminated. And then 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. I can divide by 5, and I end up with x equals positive 2. I could go back and then say, well, if x is 2, I have this x plus y equals 10. I'm sorry, x plus y equals 0. So then if x is equal to 2, I can just substitute that in for the x. So I'd have 2 plus y equals 0. Subtract 2 from both sides, and I'd have y equals negative 2. So therefore, the ordered pair solution here would be x equals 2, and y is negative 2. And therefore, my correct answer is B. So like I said, that's the school way of answering the question, elimination. You could also use substitution. So if you're not sure what that is, please do look it up. I'm not going to do that here. But if you have a question about substitution or how to use it for this question, just drop me a question in the comment section. The other way, the strategy way, is to use plug-in answers. Now, I like to show this way just because, this is, I wouldn't say it's very difficult work, but it's a lot of work. And what happens if you've forgotten how to use one or both, right? Either of these methods. So plug-in answers always works. So here's how we know we can use plug-in answers. The questions, or the question, contains variables, right? X and Y. And the answers are all numbers that represent those variables. So here's how plug-in answers would work. So if I were to try answer choice A, I'd say, well, if it's true that x plus y equals 0, then that means I should be able to replace x with 3, replace y with negative 2, right? So let's say plus negative 2. And I should get 0. In this case, I do not get that, so answer choice A is gone. Then I go on to choice B. Well, if, again, x plus y equals 0 is true, I should be able to replace x with 2, replace y with negative 2. I get 0, so that's true, but now I want to confirm that those values, that ordered pair also works for the second equation. So when I have 3x minus 2y equals 10, again, I'm going to replace x with 2, so 3 times 2. I'm going to replace y with negative 2, so minus 2 times negative 2 equals 10. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, and that is equal to 10, correct? So another method to confirm that choice B is the right answer.